worshipped. It is not the creation, but the Creator is to be worshipped. That is, God proves us 2 points here. What is important is what is in your hand, which you think it is important. Please throw it for me. Whatever you think that it is not necessary, please throw it down so that I will make it useful for you. Every time God is in charge or being control in our every situation. Maybe we have that capability, we don't have that capability, but God is sufficient or God is capable of doing everything for us in our every situation. Here Moses thought that God has forgotten me, but God remembered him and made him the greatest leaders of all time, who led the Israelites for 40 years in the desert to the promised land, the Canaan. So here, God doesn't give us a job that we are fit for, but He fits us the job which He gives us to. Here, the same is being said by a document where I have studied about Stephen Pope, who says that without leaning your heart in God's work, that is vain. So, lean your heart onto God's work, only then it works out. So here, whatever the staff might be in his hand, that might be his protector, but we believe that God will be the protector of us. So here, every time we are being here, God is there with us. John, the disciple John, as per the revelation, has saw the vision of God being in a white robe with white hair that signifies the glorified God, that is the risen Christ, which he has seen with his own eyes. Here, Thomas was also doubtful like us. He is also like a person like us. But after when he saw Jesus, when he's put in his fingers into his hands, he believed that. Then only Thomas was able to be a martyr in 72 AD, wherein he died for Christ. That is, he was poked by the spear when he was praying. So here we have to remember that, are we living for Christ? Are we there for Christ? That is our hope is found in Christ. In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is the light, my strength, my song. This